Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure a toggle button using the script in the WinCC OA. The toggle button is a two-state switch that alternate between on and off. Each time you click it, is change their state. For example, you can use it to control output like motor, lights, or pump. Once you press the button, it send on signal, and once you again press this button, it will send the off signal. For example, here you can see if I press this button, it will send off signal, and once again I press, it will send the on signal to the controller. So let's see practically how we can configure the toggle button in the WinCC OA using the script. We'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. Here we'll create a button and we'll change the name of this button, for example, toggle. Okay, now we click here in the click event and then press click over the open script editor. So first we read the our data, press tab key. Okay, so data point selector, we will take the tag state run. After that we have to put one of the internal variable where we have to store the our data. We write the boolean. For example, I will write name any of the name we can write it. For example, I can say toggle btn toggle button, and same tag I can copy it and use it here. Now it will read data from this tag and write here this here. Okay, so I will just copy it the same. Now dp set, I will use it, press tab, and after that I will paste the same. Now here I will read data from this tag, and I will move that value here in this variable that I just created. After that, I will take data from this variable and write in the same tag. But here I will put it exclamation marks. So it will invert whatever value is coming uh, from this dp get script. So it will just invert that value. Let's click here and save and close it. Now we'll come here in the runtime, just change the screen. So right now my value is 1. Once I press this button, as you can see, my value is changed now. Once again I press, the value is again become true, and once I press, value is become 0. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial how we can configure a toggle button using the script in the WinCC OA. Thanks for watching this video.